at the Mr. World Philippines 2026 Grand Coronation Night. These gentlemen have been through a lot for the past few months, and we are all here to witness the final challenge for each and every one of our candidates.
And tonight we will witness the sashing of our new kings who will once again represent the Philippines and bring the Filipino pride on the international stage.
Let's warm things up, ladies and gentlemen, and get to know our candidates a little bit better in a casual question and answer segment, where these fine gentlemen will have the opportunity to share their stories and personalities through a spontaneous conversation. All right, let's start calling on our first candidate. Let's start with Mr. Rod Iloilo. Hello, Mr. Rod Iloilo. How are you feeling tonight? Kamusta ka? Please say hi to your fans and to your family who are watching you tonight.
Hi everyone, I'm doing good and thank you for this opportunity and thank you for being here for today. And I hope we get to enjoy and just have fun at the moment. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rod Iloilo. Huwag kang kakabahan, relax ka lang, and just be yourself. I know your family and friends are rooting for you. Hingang malalim, okay? Are you ready for your casual interview?
Yes, I am.
Okay, perfect. Now, I want to ask you, what's your go-to comfort food after a long day?
My go-to comfort food is that after a tiring and stressful day, I would go and have a Diet Coke. Because even though if it's just not a big thing to everyone, for me it's just a small celebration. It is that we have to celebrate, big or small. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing that, Mr. Rod Iloilo. A Diet Coke. Alam mo, gusto ko din mag-Diet Coke. Coke Zero,
Of
di ba?
course,
It's one of my
craving.
favorites actually, and to also keep your diet.
Yes.
Perfect, Mr. Rod Iloilo. Thank you so much.
Let's move on to our next candidate from Mr. World Manila. Oh, looks like Manila's got a lot of
Daming
fans
fans.
tonight.
Daming fans ni Mr. World Manila. Grabe. Hello
Lord.
guys, welcome.
It must be so amazing to represent our capital city. How does it feel to carry the weight of the capital city of the Philippines?
It feels great and carry such an honor of the city. It's a big responsibility. At the same time, it's something that needs to be celebrated talaga in the national.
That's so true, celebrating Manila. And you are proudly representing Manila. So now, meron kaming gustong malaman about you. Would you want to ask him, Maria?
Oh, I asked my question.
Okay, then
But I'm going to give you an even better one. Is that okay with you? All right. What's your type, and is she here tonight?
Yeah, actually, she's here, so yeah, she's watching. Yeah, so
Ang daming nag-reply.
Pala ka dyan mamaya.
Well, there's more to love. There's more love to go around. Thank you so much, Mr. World Manila.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now we call on Mr. Pampanga.
Hello, Mr. World Pampanga. Kumusta naman ang iyong paa?
I'm good
Kaya
to
pa?
the person. Kaya, laban, Pampanga.
Yes, palaban ng mga taga Pampanga. I love it.
As they say, before every major performance, what's that thing that they say? They say, break a leg. And you certainly did your homework, mister. I think all the candidates should be sleeping with one eye open tonight. Because this guy is taking the game very seriously. Now, we know that you had one obstacle on your way to the crown. But what makes Mr. World a crown that is worthy of pursuing for you?
For me, it's worthy pursuing it. It's not because it's not all about the crown or it's not all about being a fame. For me, it's all about touching the life of many, especially as a working student, as an advocate for a working student. I think that is my purpose tonight, to uplift them and to be a catalyst of change. Thank you.
Very well said, Mr. World
Said.
Pampanga.
Thank you so much. Give it up for Pampanga!
Up next, we call on Mr. World Nueva Ecija. Please step forward. Oh, mas madaming fans itong si Mr. World Nueva Ecija.
How you guys doing tonight?
Would you want to say something to your fans?
I'd just like to say thank you for all the support and everyone that came here tonight. We truly appreciate it.
So, let's ask you one personality question. Who would be the first person you would call if you won tonight, and why?
Honestly, the first person I would call tonight if I won tonight is my brother, because he's the one that wasn't able to make it tonight. He's in Chicago right now, working. So, and I'm really close with my brother ever since I was little. So he's definitely the first person I would call and bring that news.
Thank you so much for sharing that, Mr. World Nevesia. I'm sure your brother is very proud of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Give it up for Mr. World Novacia, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to keep up that energy. It isn't easy to stand up here in the mic and answer questions and bare your soul. And who is the next victim?
So we have Mr. World Quezon City.
There we go. May hatak din na fans si Mr. World Quezon City.
Thank you so much, Mr. Quezon City.
Hello, everybody.
Madaming baon.
Very chivalrous. Daming fans, huh? Are you ready for your question?
I am ready, yes.
Actually, the questions were on the paper that you picked up from
Oh,
the
perfect.
Thank you so much for getting that for us.
I was just, let's say, throwing a Hail Mary earlier.
Right.
But
Here's the
hey, are you ready for, okay,
Yes, I am.
actually yours is not a question.
Okay.
This is perfect for you. I want you to complete this sentence,
Let's do it.
okay? Being a gentleman means,
Being a gentleman means knowing your responsibility and using a platform to empower not only yourself, but the people around you, especially the community that you're part of, and ultimately fostering a beautiful nation altogether.
wow, give it up for Quezon City!
Thank you so much, Mr. World Quezon City. You are doing so well so far.
5 candidates down and a lot more to go. Let's welcome Tanawan Batangas.
Hello, Mr. World, Tanawan Batangas. Kumusta ka? Hinang malalim. Kumusta? Do you want to say something to your fans?
Good evening, everyone. Mabuhay Pilipinas! And I want to say thank you to the supporters of Mr. World Philippines for being here. Thank you and enjoy the coronation night on Mr. World Philippines. Thank you.
I'm sure they're already enjoying. So now, my brother, are you ready for your question?
I'm always ready.
So, I want to ask you, if you had one free day with no responsibilities, how would you like to spend it?
Well, to be honest, I'm into arts. I'm creating free storybooks for children, and I would like to give my time in creating more storybooks because I know that through my storybooks I can inspire and transform and change lives of many. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tanawan Batangas, ladies and gentlemen.
And now for our last one. Let's go on this side naman.
Of course.
Of course, let's call Mr. World Albay.
Hello, Mr. World Albay. Kamusta ka? How are you feeling tonight?
I'm doing good, I'm feeling amazing. I'm so blessed that my family was able to travel here from New Zealand, from Bicol, and Cavite. I love you guys so much.
Thank you so much to your family for coming all the way here. I'm sure they are very excited to watch your performance tonight. So, are you ready for your casual interview?
I'm ready, I'm ready.
All right, so I'll be asking you one little thing. What's one thing you always carry with you wherever you go?
One thing that I always carry with me wherever I go, I learned this at the end of last year when I traveled back to my home province of Albay, Bicol, and it was the term of Oragon. If you don't know what Oragon means, it means to be hardworking, resilient, and always have a sense of community. I always remember that in the back of my mind, and I always do that, put my best foot forward to show that to the Filipino public. Being a national athlete, giving back to our community through the Rise and Learn Foundation, and also being a top model, I always want to put my best foot forward and be a role model for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you so
World
much,
Albay.
Albay. Did you know that he also had a career in finance, which he shared during the screening of Mr.
Wow, a
World?
finance guy and
Yes.
a top model at the same time.
Very well-rounded. Yes. Was that our last question?
Was it
Yes,
our
it
last
is.
question?
Well, you know what? That was just a glimpse of what our gentleman has prepared for this
Yes.
competition. And if you consider it as impressive, it's just a warm-up for what's coming.
That's
Exactly.
absolutely right, TJ. But it's going to get more exciting, and our candidates are about to face even greater challenges. And for this final step to the crown, we need experts to help us determine who among these gentlemen deserves the Mr. World Philippines title.
And to help us determine the deserving kings who possess the true Filipino fighting spirit, we have 13 distinguished and accomplished panel of judges who have accepted the most difficult task for tonight's competition. Ladies and gentlemen, our panel of judges. With over 10 years of experience in the hospitality industry, he has built a strong track record in hotel operations, guest relations, and team leadership. Under his leadership, Hotel 101 upholds high standards of hospitality while ensuring efficiency, innovation, and customer satisfaction. He's excited to welcome the candidates of Mr. World Philippines at Hotel 101's Fort for their stay during this pageant. Our next judge is the current hotel manager of Hotel 101 Fort, Mr. Lawrence Valerio. We also have our Miss Global Philippines 2026, JV Lindarejo.
Our next judge is an internal medicine and aesthetic physician, YouTube pageant blogger, and the CEO and medical director of Nova Aesthetic and Wellness Clinic. Please help us welcome Dr. Edsel Magnoto. Our next judge is a seasoned marketing executive with over 2 decades of experience in luxury retail, lifestyle, and brand strategy. She leads the integrated resorts lifestyle-driven brand vision, championing elevated experiences, creative storytelling, and world-class hospitality. Her keen eye for style, innovation, and consumer trends make her a fitting addition to today's panel of judges. The Senior Vice President for Marketing of Newport World Resorts, the beautiful Miss Mitch Suarez.